Good morning. My name is Yiannis Houtris. I'm the CEO of Houtris Company. Houtris is a family company with a history of more than 40 years, which is specialized in the design, production, and testing various superstructures, like in the military, the defense products, fire trucks, civil defense vehicles, and in the waste management solutions. We are very proud to attend the DEFEA 2025 as a part of the Cyprus Pavilion, which we would like to thank for the organization, which give us the opportunity to show our capabilities and our expertise. Today we are presenting our command and control vehicle that consisting of thermal cameras. This consisting of air conditioning systems that the operators can actually detect and disarm the mines. And it can be operated in a different kind of fields, either with power source or photovoltaic systems or self-driven systems. Houtris is based in Larnaca. By Googling Houtris, you will find all our details in order to contact us for much more information and for any request that we can design and tailor-made solution at any customer needs. Thank you.